Welcome to Brain Bites, your quick dose of science and strategies for an unshakable brain. I'm your host, Dr. Kylie, and in the next few minutes, you'll get a sharp insight to feed your brain. This episode is brought to you by Dr. Rewire's Brain DNA Test. Learn more and grab yours at unshakeablebrain.ai. All right, let's dig in. Picture this. You're stuck in traffic. Your heart's pounding. Your jaw is clenched. Your brain is screaming at you that you're going to be late. You're going to look incompetent and everything is falling apart. And then you take one deep breath, one real breath, deep into your belly, and something shifts. That's not just relaxation. That's neuroscience. Your brain has a built-in stress reset button, and it's hidden in the most unexpected place, your breath. Let me explain the science to you. When you're stressed, your sympathetic nervous system takes over. That's your fight or flight response. Your amygdala, your brain's alarm system, is firing, flooding your body with cortisol and adrenaline. Your prefrontal cortex, the part that helps you think clearly and make good decisions, goes offline. You are in survival mode. Here's the beautiful part. You have a direct line to override this. It's called the vagus nerve, and it runs from your brainstem all the way down through your chest and abdomen. When you take a slow, deep breath, especially when you extend your exhale, you activate the vagus nerve, however you want to say it. This triggers your parasympathetic nervous system. That's your rest and digest. Your heart rate slows, your blood pressure drops, your cortisol levels decrease, your prefrontal cortex comes back online, and in less than 60 seconds, you can shift your brain from threat mode to calm. But the key is the exhale. When you breathe out longer than you breathe in, you're sending a signal to your brain that says, we're safe, stand down. It's why stressed people are told to take a deep breath, but most people do it wrong. They breathe in deeply and hold it. Well, that actually increases tension. The magic is in breathing out slowly. All right, so here we go. Let's try this. Breathe in for 4 counts. Breathe out for 6 counts. That's it. That extended exhale is your stress reset button. Your brain doesn't know the difference between a real threat and a perceived threat. Traffic isn't a lion. An overflowing inbox isn't a predator, but your amygdala treats them the same way. The breath gives you control. It tells your brain, I've got this. We're okay. So your stress reset button literally can take 10 seconds. You breathe in for 4 counts and you breathe out for 6 counts. When your brain believes you're okay, everything changes. You think more clearly, you respond instead of react, and you make better decisions. One breath, that's all it takes to hit reset. Your weekly challenge is this. I want you to practice the 4-6 breath. Use it before you're in full-blown stress mode. So maybe you're feeling the heart rate bump up as you're pulling out your computer, ready to open up your inbox. And you think to yourself, okay, I'm going to breathe in for 4. I'm going to breathe out for 6. You could even set reminders on your phone. When the reminder goes off, you stop whatever you're doing and you take 3, 4 count, and 6 count breaths. We'll call it 4-6. Breathe in for 4 counts and breathe out for 6 counts. Do it for 3 rounds. Do it when you're calm. Train your brain to access this reset button so when the stress does hit, your brain already knows the pathway to lower your nerves. Calm your nerves. This helps you not just manage stress in the moment, you're actually rewiring your stress response for the long term. Our Unshakable Brain fun fact: the vagus nerve is the longest nerve in your autonomic nervous system, and stimulating it through deep breathing doesn't just calm you down, it actually reduces inflammation throughout your entire body. Your breath is literal medicine. I'm Dr. Kylie. Go grab your brain DNA test at unshakablebrain.ai. If you are a practitioner and you want to incorporate this test into your toolkit, go to unshakablebrain.ai/expert. And I'll see you next time.